Every time you press the gas pedal, thousands of tiny explosions happen inside your car's engine. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly how most cars turn fuel into motion. In this video, we'll break down how a car engine works in simple terms. We'll cover the major parts, the famous four-stroke cycle, and how all of that power eventually reaches the wheels. Let's get started. Think of an engine as a machine that converts the chemical energy stored in fuel into mechanical energy that moves the car. Most gasoline cars use something called an internal combustion engine. Internal means the fuel burns inside the engine, and combustion simply means burning. The energy produced by combustion creates force, and that force is used to turn the wheels. Before understanding how an engine works, let's quickly look at its key components. Cylinder. The cylinder is the chamber where combustion takes place. Piston. Inside each cylinder is a piston that moves up and down. Connecting rod. The connecting rod links the piston to the crankshaft. Crankshaft. The crankshaft converts the piston's up and down motion into rotational motion. Valves. There are two valves. The intake valve allows air and fuel into the cylinder. The exhaust valve lets burned gases leave. Spark plug. The spark plug creates a spark that ignites the air-fuel mixture. All of these parts work together hundreds or even thousands of times every minute. Most gasoline engines operate using 4 steps known as the four-stroke cycle. These steps repeat continuously while the engine is running. Step 1. Intake. The piston moves down, the intake valve opens, and air and fuel enter the cylinder. Think of it like taking a deep breath. Step 2. Compression. The piston rises back up. Both valves are closed, and the air-fuel mixture is squeezed into a small space. Compressing the mixture makes the upcoming explosion much more powerful. Step 3. Power. At the top of the cylinder, the spark plug fires. The compressed mixture explodes. This explosion forces the piston downward. This is the only stroke that actually produces power. Everything else simply prepares for or cleans up after this step. Step 4. Exhaust. The piston moves upward once again. The exhaust valve opens, and burned gases are pushed out of the cylinder. And then the entire cycle starts over. The pistons only move up and down. But wheels need to rotate. That's where the crankshaft comes in. As the pistons move, connecting rods transfer that motion to the crankshaft. The crankshaft transforms the up and down movement into spinning motion. That rotational force is then sent through the transmission. The transmission adjusts the speed and torque before transferring power through the driveshaft and differential. Finally, the wheels rotate and the car moves forward. One cylinder alone doesn't provide enough power. That's why engines typically have 4, 6, or 8 cylinders. Each cylinder performs the four-stroke cycle at slightly different times. This creates a smooth and continuous supply of power. For example, a 4-cylinder engine has 4 pistons working together, while a V8 engine contains 8 cylinders arranged in a V shape. More cylinders usually mean more power, but they can also consume more fuel. An engine isn't just pistons and explosions. Several supporting systems keep everything running properly. Fuel system. This delivers gasoline to the engine. Cooling system. Coolant absorbs heat and prevents overheating. Lubrication system. Engine oil reduces friction and protects moving parts. Air intake system. Engines need oxygen to burn fuel efficiently. Exhaust system. This removes harmful gases and helps reduce pollution. Without these systems, the engine would quickly overheat or wear out. So here's the entire process in a nutshell. Air and fuel enter the cylinder. The piston compresses the mixture. The spark plug ignites it. The explosion creates power. The crankshaft converts that power into rotation. And through the transmission and drivetrain, the wheels begin to turn. All of this happens thousands of times every minute, allowing your car to smoothly carry you wherever you need to go. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple explanations about cars and engineering, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.